dear Saviour's birth. Long lay the world in sin and terror pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices for yonder breeze, a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, hear the angel voices, when night divine, night when Christ was born. Night divine, night when night divine. Led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by His cradle we stand. The soul led by light, the stars sweetly gleaming. Here came the wise men from the Orient land. The King of Kings lay thus in lowly manger, in all our trials, born to be a friend. Fall on your knees, hear the angel voices, when night divine, night when Christ was born. Night divine, night, divine. Thank you. Thank you.